Have you ever wondered how Great Barrier Reef looks like today? There is a lot of concern about its health. We went to explore this unique natural delight ourselves. Take a boat with us to see amazing marine life and check out stunning views from the sky. Subscribe to my channel for more adventures and let's dive right in! Au revoir to everyday boring routine. Rest in peace. Today we are going to show you how living is done. From the world-class Great Barrier Reef to the wild rainforest. Hello to a better life at one of the most beautiful places in the world. Yes, I am talking about tropical Cairns, the epic adventures and landscapes. Of course, it wouldn't be a guide without showing you the city and restaurants. The nightlife is also very vibrant here. We are on search for a new perfect home address. So from natural delights, we also embark on a luxury real estate Cairns has to offer. With rich landscape full of waterfalls, Asian natural parks, breathtaking skywalks and the cutest little villages. Cairns seems to be the ultimate place to satisfy our highly demanding souls. This series will reveal all you need to know before moving to Cairns. Let's get into it!
The weather doesn't seem to be working out, but I'm sure this is gonna clear up, right? Right?
We already had to cancel once because of the weather. However, today was a last chance and we had no other option than trust and hope for improvement. We booked a trip with Down Under Cruise and Dive. Bookings are available online. I'll leave you a link in description down below.
Hello, yes. Let's go!
This boat looked super luxurious. A warm welcome with rainbow views and heli instruction video. Our first quest was to pick up snorkeling equipment. Everyone had a shelf with number downstairs.
And if you are worried about seasickness,
Because of the more harsh conditions today, we got a medication for seasickness.
Shot to the Great Barrier Reef. But before we depart the harbour, drop ropes and head off, we need to come around and conduct a head count, just to make sure we do the correct number of people we are expecting, with passengers and crew.
And lucky we took it. The waves were wild today. Some people looked like they had 20 beers already. The boat became a wild roller coaster without a button to turn it off. On the top floor, everyone looked very chilled and enjoyed the gentle rocking from side to side, while others were just enjoying a nap downstairs. It's a mid-May and that means a jellyfish season. We collected a diving suit just in case of meeting these stingy creatures underwater. This wasn't mandatory but a recommendation.
You look so good in that. Yeah.
A little effort was required to get in and we were ready. At the back of the boat was our snorkeling and scuba diving equipment ready to be used. Downstairs was waiting a spray so your goggles won't get foggy. Usually a spit was solution, but since COVID this technique was prohibited. Diving fins were the last piece and we were super excited to jump in. The Great Barrier Reef is one of the most beautiful natural wonders of the world. As the world's largest coastal reef system, it stretches over 2,300 kilometers. This incredible ecosystem is home to an unparalleled array of marine life, including over 1,500 species of fish, 600 species of coral, and many other creatures such as whales, dolphins, and sea turtles. You most likely heard about climate change and coral bleaching. Despite facing challenges, the Great Barrier Reef has shown remarkable resilience and adaptability. The coral bleaching events have prompted innovative conservation strategies, and the reef's natural processes have allowed it to recover from past disturbances. The first diving session was over, and we had to head out back to the boat. Yay!
Yeah, it's really amazing actually.
After all that swimming, we were starving. An amazing lunch was already waiting for us, to my surprise, even a high-quality steak. Yummy! After lunch, we had a little chill time at the front of the boat. We started taking off to the next snorkeling location. The waves were still high and we were bouncing up and down with our full tummies.
Let's go!
We were speeding towards a scary-looking clouds, and in no time we were bombarded with rain. And even this determined, brave couple left after a few minutes. The next adventure was a helicopter flight. We recommend booking your heli experience online, as the last-minute bookings at the spot is much more expensive. We jumped on this cute boat and headed towards the helicopter. Meeting other people from Eastern Europe made our day. The world is too small nowadays. Stepping on board, we found a cozy seat and headphones with microphone. We could communicate with the pilot and the passengers. Are you ready to see the ocean jewel from the sky? The flight took 10 minutes, however it felt much longer. It was absolutely satisfying and worth every cent. What a magnificent part of the world, witnessing a masterpiece of nature. The vibrant blues and greens of the ocean stretched out before me, punctuated by coral formations, looked like a piece of art. The experience was nothing short but breathtaking. On the way back, I was hoping to get enough time to go snorkeling once again. This was a different location and I was super curious if I see any other creatures. I didn't even care anymore to put my diving suit on as it was wet and I couldn't waste any more time. After a little break with snacks, I headed back down to the ocean. So buckle up and enjoy the best shots I have done today. This coral reef was much more vibrant and colorful. And the beautiful fish. My favorite was a parrotfish. With its vibrant colors, it's one of the most recognizable and fascinating creatures in the ocean. Parrotfish are herbivores, feeding on algae and seaweed. By controlling algae growth, they prevent it from overgrowing. This vital function maintains the health and diversity of coral reefs, and also supporting an incredible array of marine life. Now let me just take a break here, so you can enjoy and lose yourself in the beauty of this amazing coral reef. So, what's the conclusion? The reef to me is far from dying. But it's important to keep protecting coral reefs from overfishing and protect corals from stealing and damaging. Do you believe in climate change? Please let us know in a comment section down below. We value your opinion. And that was our last dive for today before we started heading back to Cairns. Thank you for watching and subscribing to my channel. In the next episode, we are heading towards Mission Beach, and Castaway Resort and Spa will be our home for the next 2 days. We will be visiting local beach, restaurants, chasing Kastuaru and much more. Thank you so much for watching. If you would like to support us, please share with your friends and family. Give us a like and we will see you in our next video.